guys, welcome back to our channel. Darren and Charlotte. We're here in Grenada at Silversands Grand Anse. Come check out our room. So whenever you first walk in the room, there's a full body mirror right behind you, which is perfect. So you can do an outfit check right before you leave for the day. I'm sipping on my sorrel punch with Grenadian spices. There's nutmeg, ginger. It's so good. This was the welcome drink that we got whenever we made it here. Okay, so coming into the room, you have a desk with a bench. I love that the desk is like built in. There's also plugs right here where you can like plug in your devices if you want to get work done. This was a really good use of space with this diffuser. It smells really amazing. I wonder if they sell it. It smells that good. They have it right here on the desk. Also on the desk is they have this schedule. So they actually have times for complimentary shuttle from Silversands Grand Anse to Silversands Beach House. It's complimentary, and they have like certain times a day where the shuttle runs, which is really nice. You can enjoy all the amenities at either property, no matter which one that you're staying at. So as you walk in behind me, just looking at this, you wouldn't realize it, but it's actually a closet. Hangers, bug spray. It comes with a laundry bag in case you want to have them do your laundry for you. And it also comes with little slippers for you to wear on your feet throughout the resort, in the room. I love that they're like flip-flops because Grenada is hot year-round, so you're always gonna need flip-flops. Over here is the mini bar area. I love that this fridge actually pulls out. This is any alcohol or drinks you want to buy. Over here, they also have a coffee maker. They have a KitchenAid kettle, which is so cute. I love that it's like shaped like an actual kettle for your hot water if you want to make tea. It's perfect. And also, and it's completely hidden and you don't have to see any of it. Makes the architecture of the room just shine because you don't have to see any of that. There's also another closet just in case it's two people staying in here. So you have another closet with another full body mirror, and then you have your safe. It also comes with a Silversands flashlight. Darren was asking, what do we need this flashlight for? I guess we'll see. I'm thinking because it gets dark and it's like a lot of trees around, so maybe that's why you need the flashlight. Here we have the bed. If this bed is anything like the bed at the beach house, it's ultra comfortable and super relaxing. One thing that Silversands does really well is that on the side of the bed, either side, the thing that I love is that from the sides of the bed, from the controls, you can actually close the curtain and the blinds, but Silversands also has an app that you can do it from. This is probably my favorite part of the entire room. Isn't that so cool? It nestles you right in. It closes completely. I'm like so obsessed. And then to open it back up, simply do it with the touch of a button. Like, how cool is that? I'm so obsessed. So from the bed, let's go ahead and go in the bathroom. In the bathroom, there's a sliding door, so you still have some privacy, but the door is still minimum. One thing that Silversands Grand Anse has that the beach house doesn't is a standalone tub. I think this standalone tub feature is needed when you're on vacation. So I love that they have it. It's really massive, it's really long, so even if you're tall, you'll be able to like fully lay down and relax. The built-in mirror with the light as well, so you're really able to like get in there whenever you're doing your makeup. We have the Silversands soap, Silversands body lotion. The towels are underneath. Out of sight, out of mind. If we move to the other side of the bathroom, so this is across from the tub, we have a beautiful rainfall shower. And one of my favorite parts is that there's a mirror in the shower. That's so needed, especially if you're washing your hair or shaving. Having a mirror really makes all the difference. And then we have a water closet for the toilet, and it's keeping the same theme with the mirror in there. I love it. We have 2 robes over here that I'm gonna change into as soon as I'm done showing you this room. And we have our lights. I love that all the outlets are like super chic. And I want to show you that we're able to dim the lights. So let me turn it back on. Have the lights all the way up, and then we can like lower them. So they're not off, but they're just dim. From the bed, there's a seating area. There's like a lounge chair and then a single chair. You have a table if you want to like eat or get things done. For our welcome dessert, they left us a spice Latin breeze. It looks yummy. I can't wait to dig in. There's also a TV. What I like on the TV is that they have like information on how to connect your devices, experiences, how to access the app. I also believe that you're able to connect your phone for music. I'm almost positive you can do that. One other thing that I like about this room is the outside. So we have a garden view, and I was almost positive I wanted an ocean view, but I am obsessed with this garden view. I love that we have like privacy. We can lounge outside, but before we go outside, I want to show you this. From the Silversands app on your phone or from the side of the bed, you're able to close the blinds electronically with one touch. So that's us just closing the curtain, and now we can also black it out to where we're not seeing nothing. I love this because it's nothing worse than when on vacation the sun rises super early and you're just woken up. Now let's head outside to see what the outside is looking like. I did not realize that the door pushes all the way, so you're able to get a full snapshot of the room. It's like true indoor-outdoor vacationing. I love that we have a lounge chair outside. We have 2 chairs over here. Now that I'm seeing this, I definitely think having the bottom floor and being able to walk straight out is really nice. I'm about to enjoy my sorrel punch out here, watch the sunset with Darren. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and remember to always do more of what makes you happy. Bye.